Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Bucks FBI. Yeah.
Hayi mashaka hayi khense ngopfu.
You can see.
Hayi khense ngopfu.
I can see.
Leswi endliwa Pirates swa tsakisa.
Yeah.
Like in 3 months say like ama final 2.
Yo, in 3 months.
In 3 months.
3 finals.
Yeah, no, 2 finals in
2
3 months.
finals in 3 months.
Yeah.
Yo.
So swi vona le hayiteka na vona na wo represent yellow card.
Yeah.
So
Watch thing.
Wana Steve MTN belong ka yena sweswo swi teka leyiwani khale igcini ku yiteka leswi landzelaka futhi na Nedbank ya ri kona na lweyi na league ayiteka futhi ke suki kule so ita fika la ijiwa yabafana nyana so ibema team ya la KZN in a week.
Yeah.
How many goals? 4. By Goril. By Gore 1.
Yeah.
So in a 4-1 eh?
Yes.
Yeah, 4-1 aggregate. Ya Muga, ya George. Loko ifika le 86 abuya qavi ku ri maybe ta Pulukwane or ta kwi.
Yeah.
Eranza Kense ka Pirates ya itsakisa.
Never man of the match.
Man of the match hayi. Mina andamnika a police.
Yeah.
Mara njengoba loyi uyitekile Mbokazi na yam congratulate.
Yeah.
Utlange kahle ngopfu.
Yeah.
Leswo ubona.
I can see.
Kensa man.
Tango. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?